Hello friends, in this video going to show you how to factory reset or hard reset WoWi smartphone. Okay, let's get started. Press and hold the power button and volume down button for 3 to 5 seconds. When the device reboots, release the finger from the power button and then release the finger from the volume down button. Yes, as you can see, there's no command in the recovery screen. Don't worry, my friends, I'll show you how to get to the commands or recovery screen. Okay, press the power button and volume up button at the same time. In the recovery screen, press the volume down button, select or highlight the wipe data or factory reset option, and then press the power button to accept. In the wipe data warning screen, press the volume down button, select factory data reset, and press the power button to accept. Yep, data reset successful. Now, the reboot device is already highlighted from the top in the list of commands, so just press the power button to accept. Okay, now wait for the device to reboot. So, friends, this is a simple way to reset your WoWi smartphone if you forget your password and can't access it. Friends, if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching.